Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm MJ and I would love you to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video please give it a thumbs up. Today I have an unboxing. I have announced this one on my Instagram account. My Instagram is lvlovermj. Big box. I have this one, and I have something from my Teresa. Sorry about the noise. I have opened this one. It came in a silk paper with a black ribbon, and my Teresa it just comes with a custom order paper. And it was wrapped in this paper. And it came in this dust bag. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen I have some belts from Gucci, and I got my Gucci mormont bag on there. Love the mormont bag. You probably guess it's another belt. This is a booklet, and this time I picked the belt with the cognac color. I have the rose mormont, and I have a thinner belt. This one is the cognac color, and it looks so pretty with jeans, and I've been searching so long for this color, and in the boutique here in my country it was out of stock and I didn't know when it come back, so I'm so happy to have this one. If you want me to do belt collection, oh, the cat here everywhere. If you want me to do a belt collection, let me know in the comment section below. I have some Gucci and I also have some Louis Vuitton. Yeah, so this is the belt. And now over to the big box. This is from Louis Vuitton. I have already opened to have a look inside because I have had this one. I think I bought it last week, so I had to check it out. I have not used it yet, so I was waiting to film this video so I can start using it. So let's take the ribbon off. It's pretty big. The ribbon like this. And it's a magnetic box, pretty heavy. Comes in like this. I have to put the box down because it's so heavy. This is a dust bag. This is not a new bag, but it was pretty hard to get anyway, and I have been looking for this one. The first time I wanted to buy it was last year. I think last year it came out. Let's open when I talk. So it's the Neo Noe in monogram, a rose ballerine. And I know several of you have shown picture on Instagram on this one. And a special lady I know who is from my home city, she got this one, and I was drooling over her bag all the time when she had picture out. This is just a little card, comes with a booklet, and this is the receive. And every time she had this one on her Instagram, I said, if you ever want to sell this bag, I want it. Now I got it. So it comes with a rose ballerine strap. I will hook the strap on. Like this. Oh, she's so pretty. I love monogram with a rose ballerine. And it says Louis Vuitton on this gold button, or what you call it. It's the same in the back. It says Louis Vuitton above. And in the end, we got the tags, or what you call it, I'm not sure what you call that, on both sides, and it says Louis Vuitton. Yeah, Louis Vuitton Paris. It says Louis Vuitton Paris here too. And on the hook it says Louis Vuitton, and you also can make this strap longer if you want. You can just open. I'm sure you know this bag already. You can open this one, and get longer. I can do a review on this bag later. Now I just want to show you the bag so I can start using her. She's smaller than my Neverfull. I don't have my Neverfull here now. She's smaller, so she won't fit so much as the Neverfull. And I have ordered some organizer, so I will have inside. It's a microfiber lining here in the rose ballerine color. It might come out pretty bright in this light. And she got a pocket in the middle. And it got two rooms. If you want me to do what's in my bag in this bag, or compare her to my Neverfull, I have Neverfull in Azure and I have the Neverfull in monogram. And I got the Neo Noe. Oh, she's so pretty. She has no feet, but I never put my bags on the floor anyway. Love it. Perfect. And I have ordered, I ordered some organizer, and I have, yes Richie, I have ordered a pom-pom from Lindsay. So I will put on this bag, finally get my head around to order this pom-pom. Yeah, love it. So looking forward to use this one. And I think if you follow me, you probably will see I got the Zoe in monogram and rose ballerine, and I think they will go perfect to the Neo Noe. So my first bucket bag. I have never owned any bucket bag. And as you know, you can open this and you can tight it. So I hope you all are having a fabulous day and happy new week, and I will see you in my next video.